SS Innovations had an insightful 2024 with many successful milestones. In January, we held the first global SS Innovations multi-specialty robotic surgery conference, with a tremendous participation of over 500 national and international delegates. In March, more than 700 successful surgeries were completed by SSI Mantra in our first ever mitral valve replacement surgery. In April, we conducted the first ever telesurgery in India. In May, we completed 100 successful robotic cardiac surgeries. And in June, we celebrated the grand launch of our technologically advanced next-generation surgical robotic system, the SSI Mantra 3, and had a very engaging conference at the Society of Robotic Surgery in Florida, with a record-breaking 8 consecutive surgeries in a single day by Dr. Magan Mehrotra. In July, we delivered the accessibility of robotic surgery to Nepal. In September, we launched our first South American robotic surgery program in Ecuador, and globally, we completed over 2,700 successful surgeries, with a mark of more than 500 robotic urological surgeries. In October, we completed the first robotic ASD repair surgery in Medanta, followed by a successful robotic surgery program launch in Indonesia in November. In December, the SSI Mantra was approved for telesurgery and teleproctoring by the Medical Regulatory Body of India. As we reflect on an incredible year, we are profoundly grateful to all our surgeons, scientists, engineers, and our family of well-wishers for their unwavering support and the tremendous growth SS Innovations has experienced in 2024. Your trust in our mission has been the cornerstone of our success. Wishing you all a happy, prosperous, and innovative New Year 2025.